ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the ABC 3340 Weather Extreme video. This is for Thursday afternoon, the 10th day of July. Got some pretty active storms in progress around here today, as expected. Let's look at some of the Skycam images on this Thursday afternoon. First off, the view coming from Inverness. That's a Skycam at the Wingate Inn on US 280. Big buildups, big storms developing just north of the site there. Pretty much the same sky from Jasper and from Mount Cheaha. Once again, a nice-looking downpour there just off to the west of the site at the Cheaha State Park. Tropical moisture, you bet. We've got that in place. The westerlies are up north, the stall front over Tennessee. And that's what you get, showers and storms. They are most active at mid-afternoon right across the central part of the state, really the north-central part, roughly from Columbus, Georgia, or Columbus, Mississippi, through Birmingham and over to Atlanta. And we've had one warning as of this update. That was for Randolph County, a severe thunderstorm warning. We could see a few pulse severe storms, and all of them producing very heavy rain and, of course, a lot of lightning. In terms of the organized convective weather, in terms of the severe weather risk, that's up north from Chicago and Milwaukee back up to the Canadian border. Hey, look good there. Looks good. The QPF map, that's suggesting 2 inches of rain here, valid through Tuesday morning of next week. And it's beginning to look like much of next week will be dry here now. We'll go ahead and buy into that, and we'll see if that works out for us. We'll show you the modeling in a moment. First off, Bertha. That thing's hanging in there. Looks pretty symmetrical. A Category 2 hurricane moving slowly northwest. A little bit more of a northward component of motion there. There's the official Hurricane Center track. It's still got the thing passing east of Bermuda over the weekend. But really, instead of hooking it northeast, the guys at NHC have it moving more north. You'd think in time, a trough that's developing over the eastern U.S. early next week will sweep that thing back out to sea. Here's the modeling real quick, and again, you can see that most of the models do bend it ultimately northeast away from land in time. So our friends in Bermuda still might want to watch that, but I really think it's only a threat to ships out at sea. So let's look at the GFS. What do you say? This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow, Friday. Ridging increasing over the western Gulf, the 594 circle down there. Strong shortwave digging down across the Dakotas. And at the surface tomorrow, we're in moist air. I think a lot like today, that stall front north of here will have scattered showers and storms, maybe numerous at times tomorrow afternoon. Surface low with that new system up there over the northern states, over North Dakota. Saturday, the surface low moves into Canada. Another cold front coming down this way. And again, we stay in the soupy, muggy air, so scattered showers and storms. Sunday, same deal, and that front gets closer, the front bearing down on Memphis. And, of course, Bertha's over there in the right-hand part of the screen. And then Monday of next week, pretty good-looking trough coming through the northeast U.S. And we think that'll sweep Bertha out to sea and also push that boundary through here just maybe. And again, the GFS very persistent, indicating that thing should be near Montgomery now at midday Monday. So for now, we'll mention only a small chance of a shower Monday, and Tuesday will go dry as the deeper moisture is shunted down over South Georgia and the Florida Peninsula there. So Tuesday looks like it might be mostly sunny, a little less humid. And on Wednesday, I had a few spots of green there. We better mention isolated showers. Come on now. Dry air intrusions don't last that long in summer. Thursday of next week, again, just a few isolated showers or storms. And Friday, a week from tomorrow, looks pretty quiet. And look at Bertha still hanging around out there. Instead of sweeping it out to sea, it just leaves it lingering east of Atlantic City. I don't know. Until that thing finally moves out, we'll quit worrying about it, but just something to watch. Now, we'll go at the end of the cycle, the 26th of July. Hey, ridging over the United States. And that just looks like your standard midsummer weather pattern right there. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.